Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the Samsung keyboard active so emoji settings stick. Go to Settings, General Management, and choose Samsung Keyboard as the default. Once done, open Samsung Keyboard settings and turn on the Emoji key or the keyboard toolbar option so the emoji icon appears. Also make sure the keyboard app is updated in the Galaxy Store. Updating fixes missing buttons. These steps lock the keyboard context so you don't need to toggle apps later. Next, you customize how the emoji shows up during typing. Open Samsung Keyboard settings, enable the keyboard toolbar, and reorder tools so the emoji icon is front and center. You can also choose a layout that includes a dedicated emoji key. That ensures the icon stays visible across apps. If a third-party keyboard replaces controls, disable or uninstall it, because it can hide Samsung's emoji button. These changes keep emoji access consistent and prevent accidental loss when switching apps. Finally, make the changes permanent by restarting the phone so the system remembers your default keyboard and toolbar choices. Backup keyboard settings via Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch to restore them if you reset the device. If the emoji key disappears later, update the Samsung keyboard, clear its cache and data in app's Samsung keyboard, then reboot. This usually restores the emoji icon. If that fails, reinstall or contact Samsung support. Most issues resolve after an update or cache reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.